Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, a very happy new year to all of you guys out there watching this video right now. And before starting this video, I would just like to say that I'm so thankful that I can share a part of my life with you guys, and I'm so much more thankful for all of you who watch my videos. So yeah, thank you for that. So without waiting any further, let me explain you a bit about this video. So as by the title, you guys probably already know that this video is about the things that I wish to inculcate in my life, not since this year, but since a long period of time now. And I really want to make sure that this year I can get all of these things in my life. Like, there are so many things which I used to do back then which were good, but I've stopped now. And there are so many things that I do right now that are good. I want to continue my good habits, pick up the habits that I've left in past which were good, and definitely adopt some new good habits. So I basically just want to learn and grow both mentally and physically. One thing that I really want to focus on in 2021 is on my health. So eating healthy and meditation and exercise or any form of workout, like something that I can enjoy. So yeah, this is the video's basic topic. So here is a very short clip of me doing the same, and I'll also explain you guys why I do what I do. So I hope you enjoy the video, and do not forget to watch till the end. Please like, share and subscribe. Since a long time now, my day starts with a tall glass of water. Our 6 to 8 hours of sleep is a long period to go without any water consumption. Drinking 2 or maximum 3 glasses of water right when you wake up is a good way to rehydrate your body quickly. So, one thing that I'm definitely not good at is making my bed the first thing in the morning, and that is something that I would like to incorporate, as a clean bed stops me from getting back into it. So, I've already made a whole video on journaling. If you haven't watched it, I will put a link down below. Do watch it after this video. So, in short, I personally like to write down my task for the day and how and when can I achieve them. With so much going on around us all the time, things can get a bit overwhelming. Knowingly or sometimes even unknowingly, we are stressing upon some facts. So, therefore, I try to find at least 10 minutes a day for my mental health by meditating. You can do whatever that makes you calm and brings you in the present. Before COVID, we all used to wake up early, take a shower, get dressed, and leave the house. And speaking frankly, nowadays I literally wake up just a few minutes before my first class and take my class in my bed, which is highly unproductive. So I will try to get ready before college and start to take good care of my skin and hair. I think this one is quite self explanatory. The work that is needed to be done should be done and completed at the right time on most days. So, let us avoid procrastination and be consistent and focused on our goals. One thing we all leave behind as we grow up is our hobbies. Hobbies, that one thing that genuinely makes us happy, but we still are unable to find out time for doing it. Guys, let's polish our skills and enjoy our daily life by pursuing them. The one reason that I've always exercised is to lose weight and be skinny. But now I want to exercise for being healthy and fit. I want to enjoy my workouts and not do them dreadfully. So, the goal is to be healthy and not skinny. Last but definitely not the least is understanding the fact that you cannot be productive every single day. On some days, just sit back and relax, listen to good music and eat what you like, read a novel or watch a movie and spend time with the people you care about. So I guess this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next week, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.